Hello everyone. So this is a video about how to get started with Microsoft AI Foundry. What we are going to cover is how to create or deploy a model, and then how to use the playground in the AI Foundry itself, and also how to utilize the credentials to connect with the model, deployed model using Python. So first of all you have to do is go to this ai.azure.com. This will redirect to you to Microsoft Foundry. You can go ahead and create a new project here. Let's just select the Microsoft Foundry resource and then select, let's say, test tube. And yeah, I'm going to select the pay as you go subscription, and let me select an existing one. Anyways, we can go ahead with this one. So this is setting up Microsoft Foundry for me. Once this is done, this is deployed, I will see a place where I can actually select the model. I'm going to pause now and wait for this to finish. Once that is done, we'll continue from there. All right, so we have it deployed. You can see the API key here and different libraries on how to connect to this resource using any programming language. We'll first go to model catalog and select any model that we wish to work with. Just for the sake of simplicity, I will go ahead and select ChatGPT 4, which is for mainly chat completion. So I will go ahead and use this model, and I will name it as my deployment. And yeah, I will go ahead and validate and deploy this. Again, I'm going to pause and come back once this is deployed. All right, so this is deployed. First, we'll try to run this in Python. I do have a small Python code already ready. This was created using UV, and the only package it requires to install is the OpenAI package. The code is also straightforward. It requires the mod endpoint, the model name, deployment. We have our deployment named as, I think, yeah, this is the name of our deployment. I'll just copy and paste it here. And then my endpoint, first I'll copy my key and I'll paste my key here. Sorry. Yeah, this is my key, and I'll paste my key here. Then I need my endpoint, which I can get from here. Uh, the endpoint is basically auto-generated in this scenario. Yeah, this is my endpoint. I forgot an edge to copy. So I have an endpoint, I have a model, I have a deployment, I have a subscription key, my API version, and this is where I create a client. Now, after this client, I'm creating a bunch of to and from messages. Now, this is not a very complex code. This is just a small system prompt that you are a helpful assistant and an input from the user, a question from the user. This is just to show about the basics of how you can actually go ahead and work with this. Now let's try to run this main.py file and see how it unfolds. Let's wait for this to return the response. While you are working, please make sure that after deployment of the model, you wait for approximately a minute before going ahead and hitting it, because sometimes it takes time to actually deploy and respond, but that's just a one-time activity. So I asked a question that I'm going to Paris, what should I do? And it gave me with a bunch of iconic landmarks, charming neighborhoods, etc. So this is how you can actually go ahead and use this or connect to this model using a Python code. Now I was talking about a playground. So if you go to playground, and you can have a different playground, but rather I'll do model, and for this particular model, I'll open a playground. So this contains the deployment that I just did. It contains the model instruction, which was here as well, something similar. I can go ahead and ask what to do for a weekend in Gurgaon, India. and it should look up to like online and give me bunch of options. Breakfast, Kingdom of Dreams, Ambience Mall, Lunch and Rooftop. It's funny that it's giving him Kingdom of Dreams because this phone has been closed since a couple of years now. But you got the point, right? Now, in order to not make it go online and search for results, you can add your data here. Your data can be in any source, like it can be a blob storage from anywhere, upload files as well for PDFs and whatnot. Using that, you would actually be telling the model to only use that data to give your results. So that's pretty much how you start with using Microsoft Foundry. Now, Microsoft Foundry, along with LangChain, a LangGraph, will give you a a a, a, a like a tools to create a platform with inputs and loop conversations as well. Uh, Thank you for watching this video and let me know what you think about it.